event. 12-lap event.
The green flag flies. The Thunder Roasters head up the hill into turn 3.
Indeed they do, and it looks like it will be the white and red car number 24.
Here we go again.
Check that, 28 of Robert Lamb from Antigua.